Now, if I don't get elected, it's going to be a bloodbath for the whole. That's going to be the least of it.
When Donald Trump promised us a bloodbath, did he mean his own finances?
They have that judge that you have on the screen right there come up with an astronomical number, give you zero time to post a bond that's not even commercially available in the United States. It's not. No one's ever seen a bond this size. Every single person, when I came to them saying, hey, can I get a $500 million bond? Maria, they were laughing. They were laughing. Yeah. Top executives of the largest surety companies had never seen anything of this size. And what, they're going to start seizing assets if he can't put up something that's not available in the United States?
I didn't major in math, but that seems like you're bankrupt.
I need another extension on my mortgage payments.
I understand that, Mr. Simpson, but according to our computer, your credit history is not good. It says here that you've been pre-declined for every major credit card. It also says that you once grabbed a dog by the hind legs and pushed him around like a vacuum cleaner.
That was in the 3rd grade.
Letitia James, within a week, may start seizing Trump Tower and all sorts of other properties of his to pay for this judgment against him. Justice. Doesn't always come quickly enough, but... And there certainly isn't enough of it with this guy and his party, but even a little bit is awesome. But, you know, he did claim, and all of his little trolls who came after people like me on Twitter and said, you don't get context. Trump people getting context is really lots of fun. That when he's talking about a bloodbath, he didn't mean our country. He meant the economy if he didn't get to pass his 100% tariffs. Ironically, 100% tariffs, like doubling the price of cars, would be a bloodbath for a lot of people. But they're not smart enough to understand that. That's basic economics. Knows he's got a bunch of marks following him. On top of that, what it would do to the economy overall, send us into a tailspin. Okay, they don't get that either. But the bloodbath, if it somehow is not referring to what is going to happen, he's not promising violence in this country. It certainly would refer to his personal finances. It would refer to his image. It would refer to the fact that his campaign is absolutely broke, is going to need to steal from the RNC for his legal costs, and Joe Biden is going to have hundreds of millions of dollars more than him. And donors are going to be hesitant to give any money because they know that Donald Trump is just going to spend it on his legal bills because he can't afford to pay for them. And state parties in places like Arizona and Georgia, and hell, even Florida and Ohio and Texas and many of these states on the bubble, guess what? If you're a Republican one, you think you're getting money from the RNC, I got another thing coming for you. Keep dreaming. Look at the sky, maybe it'll parachute down magically. So the real bloodbath is not just Donald Trump's reputation. It's not just Donald Trump's financial situation. It's not just the Trump family, Trump name, Trump sneakers. God, those things are awesome. But the real bloodbath in the end is going to be what happens to the Republican Party in November. And God damn it, I can't wait for it. Because they've embraced this cretin from the beginning and let him get away with so much. And he, in the end, shall be their Waterloo. And I'll be there clapping as the bloodbath, the financial and electoral one, occurs.
Case is a hoax, and it's something that shouldn't have. It's not even a crime. They said there's no crime, and there is no crime. So I just say it's a sad day for this country. He ruled against me before he even knew anything about the case. He ruled against me. The whole case was all about damages, and there were no damages. And perhaps you'll get him to tell you about what took place in terms of a settlement negotiation, because those weren't the numbers he was discussing. It's a disgrace what's happening in our country, and we have to get our country back, and we're going to get our country back. That's what's going to happen.